Hello students, today we are going to learn about welding an edge joint on MS sheet of 2 mm flat position without filler rod. Objectives of these videos are to prepare the job to the given size as per drawing, to bend the edges of the plate as per drawing, to set the job as an edge joint and tack weld them, to weld the edge joint in flat position using leftward technique, to clean and inspect the edge weld for surface uniformity. Let's start. Take all the precautions necessary before you start operating the welding machine. Helmet and hood.
Respirator.
Steel toe rubber sole boots. Wear fire resistant clothing.
Gloves.
Ear protection. First, observe the drawing and prepare the job pieces accordingly. In this case, the dimensions are 150 into 92 into 2 mm for the required final product. During preparation, the metal pieces are prepared by shearing and then filing the job pieces of size 150 into 45 into 2 mm. The edges of the metal pieces are also cleaned thoroughly. Bend both metal pieces such that the bent edge is at 90-degree angle to the surface of the plates. Make sure that the length of the bent metal plate is twice that of the thickness of the plate. For example, if the thickness of the plate is 2 mm, then the length of the bent metal part should be 4 mm. The gas welding plant should be set at the gas pressure of 0.15 kg per centimeter square and nozzle 7 should be fixed. Set neutral flame. Set the prepared job pieces on the welding table and tack at both ends. Note that the length of the tack weld is 6 mm approximately. Then clean the tacks. Check the alignment after tacking. Set it in a flat position over fire bricks. Use wire brush to clean the deposited bead. Then start the weld at the right end of the joint. Make sure that the blowpipe is at a 60 to 70-degree angle. Use leftward technique while welding. Make sure that the edges are fused uniformly. Maintain uniform travel speed and flame. Fuse the bent edges up to the entire surface of the plate. After you stop at the left end, fill the crater and complete the weld. Turn off the flame. Use water to cool the nozzle. Clean the welded joint and inspect for uniform width and height of bead, uniform ripples, uniform fusion and complete penetration. Also check if the weld is free from faults such as porosity, undercut and lack of fusion. Clean the welded joint and inspect for uniform width and height of bead, uniform ripples, uniform fusion and complete penetration. Also check if the weld is free from faults such as porosity, undercut and lack of fusion. Let's quickly recap. Take all necessary precautions. The two metal plates are fixed on the welding table after tacking them. Then we use the welding machine to weld them by using the leftward technique with the nozzle aligned at 60 to 70 degree angle. Once the weld is complete, check the weld for imperfections. We have learned to gas weld an edge joint on a 2 mm thick MS sheet without a filler rod. Bend metal at 90 degree angle. Tack weld both ends. Use leftward technique at 60 to 70 degree angle. Ensure uniform fusion, complete weld, inspect for faults. We are done with welding the edge joint without a filler rod. I will see you in another interesting and exciting videos. Thank you and goodbye until then.